this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, June 6, 2022. The overnight session is fairly strong as we start the week. So what I figured we would look at this morning is what has happened historically when you get strong overnight action on a Monday. So we're going to be looking just at the S&P this morning. So I've got the ES selected here. The setup's based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. For this study, I'm going to go to the opening filters. I'm going to click on Gap Up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the overnight filters, and I'm going to describe the price action that is currently taking place. And this could change by the time we actually open, but right now we're seeing an overnight session that has basically lifted the entire session. So we've got a little over 50 points of range. We opened near the lows, and we are currently trading right up near the highs of the overnight session. So I'm going to describe that by going to overnight open versus overnight range. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to hit equals next to overnight open and bottom 25% of the overnight range. Next, I'm going to go to the overnight close versus overnight range, and I'm going to say that the overnight close is in the top 25% of the overnight range. So that means it's a directional move to the upside in the overnight session. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to say that we are below a 200-day simple moving average. I'm going to skip the 10 just because I want to keep as many samples as possible. And the last thing I'm going to do is go to the calendar library. I'm going to say that today is Monday. We're seeing the start of the week with this bullish activity. So I've hit equals next to Monday. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is a Monday, and you are seeing strong overnight activity, which I've described as opening near the lows of the overnight session and finishing the overnight session at the highs when below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 26 samples here in the S&P. The win rate on these, 69%. So 69% of these have closed above the opening print for the day. Looks like the average move to the upside, a little bit larger than the average move to the downside. Nice equity curve here, lower left, upper right, and not a lot of drawdown in there as well. So historically speaking, this pattern has been more bullish for the session when you see a strong overnight session on a Monday to start the week. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.